can complete a chic style wearing these with a fringed jean jacket and a wide brim hat. These have a really fun contrasting strappy design, but is made of leather, so it's going to be really long lasting and durable. These offer an open toe design with these fun studs at the midsole, and the hardware matches the adjustable buckle closure on the slingback strap. These do have a leather lining and insole that's padded to give you some cushioning and comfort, and they do have this fun sculpted heel that will give you a 4-inch boost in height. These sit all on top of a nice synthetic outsole that is really lightweight, and these will look so stylish on your feet this season.